Welcome to a captivating exploration of India's Section 295A, a law safeguarding religious sentiments. Delve into its history, understand its modern relevance, and examine recent cases that have sparked debate. Join us on this enlightening journey through India's legal landscape.
In India, there's a law called Section 295A of the Indian Penal Code. This law deals with punishing people who intentionally insult or say bad things about someone's religion in a mean way. It's like a rule against saying hurtful things about religions. This law is quite serious. If someone breaks this law, they can be arrested right away, and they can't get out of jail by paying money. Legal experts argue about whether this law is a good idea or not. This law was made back in 1927 because of an incident. A book called Rangila Rasul was published, and it said bad things about Prophet Muhammad's personal life. The person who published the book got into trouble, but there was no law at that time against insulting religions. Later, he was killed in court. Because of this incident, the Indian Muslim community asked the British government, which was ruling India at that time, to make a law against insulting religions. That's why Section 295A was created. The law says that if someone intentionally tries to hurt the feelings of people from a particular religion by using words, writing, signs, or pictures, they can go to jail for up to 3 years, or they might have to pay a fine, or both. There have been recent cases where people were booked under this law for saying hurtful things about religions, like in 2022 when a spokeswoman from the ruling party made controversial comments about Prophet Muhammad. Another case involved a person who was arrested for sharing a funny scene from an old comedy movie that some people found offensive.